17 Powerful Tricks to Make Him Miss You Terribly. Why do we miss someone? Why do we feel the emptiness when we are not with that particular person? Maybe because we are not destined to be alone. We are created to be with a companion. When it comes to romantic love, missing each other is one key to a long-lasting relationship. The longing and passion that you feel inside make you want for more. Naturally, we like to spend our time with people who we love and make us happy. The more we do these things, the more we are addicted to them being at our side. So, when we are apart, our body craves for that feeling. Even science can back this up. When we are in love or happy, our body produces a surge of serotonin and dopamine. It is no wonder that when we are apart with them, our body craves those chemicals. Nothing feels better than knowing that someone misses us when we are apart. As they say, absence makes the heart grow fonder. So let's get into it. How to make him miss you like crazy. 1. Stop all communication. I know it's hard not to reach out to that person if you miss him. Of course, you want to be in constant communication with him. But if you really want him to miss you, then give him time to miss you. He can't miss you if you keep communicating with him, right? Give him a reason to miss you. Stop calling and texting him. If you continue reaching out, he will never have the reason to miss you. 2. The waiting game. If a woman is interested in a guy, she responds immediately to a call or text coming from him. But responding to him right away will give him hints that you are always available for him at his convenience. Men love the chase, so do not get caught easily. Make him wait as long as needed, but not long enough that will make him lose interest. This may be silly, but it always works. It makes him craves for you more. 3. Be the first to end the conversation. After making him wait, he will eventually contact you if he really likes you. Always be the one to hang up the phone and let him be the one to send that last text. The key is to keep him wanting more of you. Because you ended the conversation, it will make him contact you first because he feels the need to continue your conversation. 4. Go easy on social media. Nowadays, almost all of us have a Facebook account. Pause your Facebook activities for a while. Because how can he miss you if he always sees you in his feeds? Be a little mysterious so that we'll miss you. Pause on updating your status, uploading your photos, and sharing things on Facebook. Additionally, stop liking and commenting on his posts because it will make him think that you are needy for his attention. 5. Find a scent that will remind him of you. Have you experienced smelling a certain smell and a person or place pops on your mind? This is because our sense of smell is attached to our memory. So, if you want him to miss you, wear that same perfume every time you see him. Each time that certain smell hits his nose, you are the one he will be thinking of. You can also try to spray your perfume on his things so even if you are not together, he will still smell you. 6. Add a little bit of mystery and surprise. Your guy loves a little bit of mystery. You do not need to tell everything about you in just one sitting. Men tend to lose interest if they already know everything about you. They think they already conquered you and you do not excite them anymore. Remember, men love the chase and challenge. Also, it won't hurt if you surprise your man sometimes. Instead of a traditional dinner or movie date, why not go hiking and go for an adventure? If he's happy with your company, he will miss that and will always find ways to be with you again. 7. Leave things behind. Have you ever found a thing that belongs to your special someone and memories rush back? Make a point of leaving small things like your hair clip or earrings at your guy's house or car. So every time your guy see it, he will remember you. 8. Leave him craving for more. It's like our favorite food. When we get a taste of something delicious, we want to taste it again. But here is the catch, if you always get that taste, even how delicious it is, you will lose interest. Men want what they can't have. So give him a taste but do not give it all. Make it challenging for him. In this way, he will appreciate you more. 9. Be independent. Your man is not going to miss you if you are constantly available to him. Give him space and create your own space, too. There's no need to be always together. If he is really into you, you do not need to worry about him enjoying the free time. Guys really like it when you are not so clingy. Enjoy your own thing and let him miss you. 10. Spend time with your friends. Spend time with your friends and share your story and adventure with your man. It's important that he knows that you are able to have fun without him. Who knows? He might want to tag along on your next adventure. 11. The overall look. Men are visual creatures, so make it sure that he will like what he is seeing. Go to the salon and treat yourself a full makeover. Maybe you can get a haircut, try a new makeup and buy yourself a sporty or sexy outfit. Your man already likes you for what you are, you just need to boost that feeling to make sure he is always into you. 12. Just be you. And lastly, just be yourself. Do not pretend you're someone else, especially when you are together. Create your own unique self that he will love and can't resist, and that is the personality of a strong, kind and independent woman. Go crazy with him, be spontaneous, and have fun together. What guy in his right mind can resist these personalities? And when you are apart from each other, he can compare you with other girls and he will realize how unique and beautiful you are. And being apart, he will miss you because he knows you are definitely one of a kind. 13. But be memorable. The first step is to be a girl who is worth missing. Do you know how great you are? If you don't, no man is going to know that either. You need to show up and be your best self. Love everything about yourself and your life and he'll love you too. Laugh hard, love hard, and give yourself what you need to be happy. When you are out there doing your own thing and being fabulous, it's hard for a man to ignore that. He'll want to be around you more when you want to be around yourself. Don't fool yourself into thinking you need someone to make you happy. Be happy and someone will miss you when you aren't around. 14. Let him do his own thing. One surefire way to get him to miss you is to give him the space he needs, and you need. While you may want to spend every waking hour with the man of your dreams, the truth is that you need time to do your own thing too. The more time you spend apart, the more you'll both want to be together. If you give him the space to miss you, he surely will. Check in and stay in touch, but don't crowd him. Leave a little to the imagination and make sure there is still a reason for him to check in with you. 15. Don't try so hard. If we've learned anything about having successful relationships, it's that you can't try so hard. When you try hard, you repel things, especially people. Your relationship shouldn't be about trying hard. It should be about loving hard. When you have to try to get him to miss you, the opposite will happen. Things go wrong, it comes out all wrong, it turns him off. Just be yourself, do your own thing, give him the space he needs, and be amazing when he's around. He'll miss you when you are just being you. 16. Take your time. Want your guy to miss you? Then leave him wanting. Don't rush into things you can't take back. If you are getting physical, don't rush into things. Take your time and let him get to know you over time. You don't need to spend the night all the time. You can slip out, be mysterious, and take something with you. Being in a relationship is about being transparent, but that doesn't have to happen all at once. 17. Don't leave it all on the table. If you want your guy to miss you, you need to keep a little for yourself. You don't need to tell him every deep, dark secret you have. He has questions, but you don't have to spill your guts on the first date or the 10th. You can take your time and reveal all of your awesomeness one nugget at a time. Let him ask his questions, entertain them, and maybe even tease a little out of him yourself, but don't go all in. Keeping a little mystery alive in your relationship takes a lot of work. Making him miss you is one strategy that you can use to help do that. Tease, not manipulation, it's not being a tease, it's just something you can do to help keep your man wanting more.